Are you looking for a way to take your business to the next level? Well, in this video, I will show you how to use YouTube to boost your service-based business and get more leads. Hi, I'm Mike, Mr. Process Mahoney, a service-based business owner just like you. And if you're anything like me, you're always looking for new ways to market your business and get more leads. And that's why in this video, I'm going to show you how using YouTube can help skyrocket your business. So stay tuned. Now, the first thing you do is start by creating a YouTube channel for your business. It's a great way to showcase your services and give potential customers a taste of what you have to offer. Take a close look at your services and create a nice channel trailer that explains all of these services in a way that will make your potential clients want to engage with you. A YouTube channel is an extension of your network of social media accounts, so use it to promote your products and services. This can be done by self-promotion at the end of a video, linking to other videos with cards, things like that. Now be sure the branding on the channel matches your style guide. This way people know who they're looking at. Now next, upload videos that explain what your business does. Creating videos that explain your business is a great way to get more leads. These type of videos are called explainer videos, and they work by giving potential customers a quick and easy way to learn about your business. When creating an explainer video, focus on the benefits of your services rather than just listing features. Customers care about how your product or service will improve their lives, so communicate that in your video. Don't hold back. Be sure to show your true personality. That's what customers will connect to, and it will keep them coming back for more of your content. Don't be who you know you're not. That sets you up for failure when it's time to engage directly with a potential customer. Be sure you showcase customer testimonials. One of the best ways to get more leads is by showcasing customer testimonials. These are great for building trust with potential customers, and they show that your business is credible. When creating customer testimonial videos, focus on the results achieved rather than just listing features. Customers care about how your product or service will improve their lives, so communicate that in your video. Also, be sure to get your customers' permission before using their testimonials. Use videos to give tips on how to use your services. So to get more leads, you need to show potential customers how your services can help them. One of the best ways to do that is by giving tips on how to use your services. Now in these videos, focus on the benefits of your services rather than just listing the features. I know I keep saying that, but it's extremely important. Customers care about your product and service, and they want to know how it's going to fix things in their lives. So communicate that to them. Also, be sure to keep these videos short and sweet because no one wants to watch a long video. So ensure you get to the point quickly. Take the time to share news and updates about your business. Keep your YouTube channel up to date. This is a great way for potential customers to see that you're always innovating and expanding your services. Now, when you share news videos about your business, make sure that it's somehow relevant to your ideal client. Nobody wants to sit through a video of you announcing that you bought a new camera if that's just not relevant to your customer. Make sure that you answer common questions from customers. It's a great way to get more leads. These types of videos are called FAQ videos, and they work by giving potential customers a quick and easy way to learn about your business. FAQ videos are going to be very useful for explaining to your clients exactly your policies and procedures around your product or service. It's going to help them understand how your product or service will change their life. Now you want to embed these videos on your website or your blog, because once you have a few of them embedded on your website, they're going to be a great way to get more traffic to your YouTube channel and increase potential customers' chances to see your content. Where more places it is, the more chances for them to see it. When embedding videos on your website or blog, focus on the benefits of your services. I keep saying this, but I can't say it enough. Customers want you to change their life. And this is where you do it, by showing them the benefits of what you do. Include your call to action in your videos so that potential customers know what to do next. YouTube can be a great way to boost your service-based business. Following these tips can create engaging content that will attract more leads and grow your business. Make sure that you use annotations and cards in your videos because they're a great way to drive traffic to your videos. Adding annotations to your videos can provide viewers with links to other videos or even offers that you have. You can add cards to your videos which appear as clickable links that pop up during the video. When using annotations and cards, make sure that you're pointing your customers to your best videos and your best offers that you have available. These things help you because as they're watching the video, it will pop up in the corner. They can click it and it will take them anywhere you want to take them. So there you have it. Begin implementing these suggestions and build a YouTube channel for your business. You'll see some major growth if you handle it correctly. Now, if you got value from this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you will always get notified when new videos come out from top-tier coaching services.